are to man their positions according to the combat schedule.
Establishing visual contact.
Establish visual contact. Target hit! We are under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire on command! Engines, full speed.
Establishing visual contact.
All crew, full combat alert. Fire without command. Main rocket console, standing by.
Confirmed.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Fire at the enemy! Armor integrity broken. 357 wrong. All crew, immediately abandon ship. Both engines, half speed ahead. Establish visual contact.
I see a hit on the target.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Target destroyed. Torpedo 2 fired. Helm abort. Enemy ship detected.
Our ship is under enemy attack.
Enemy elimination confirmed. Combat Unit 6, take off. Base, I'm off the ground. Standing by. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Establishing visual contact. Enemy target eliminated. Attention, enemy ship spotted. Our ship is under enemy attack.
Critical hit. Half ahead. Stop all engines. Missiles lost. The target destroyed. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Enemy target detected. Bearing 9-1.
Establish visual contact. Slow astern, both. Missile launch at target.
It's confirmed.
Enemy ship detected. Stop the engines. Captain, the target has been captured. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. Abandon ship. Lifeboats into the water.
contact.
Fire on command! That's a hit! Target destroyed! Captain, the target has been captured.
Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target. Establishing visual contact.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Flank speed ahead. Requesting air support.
Enemy target eliminated. Enemy ship on the radar.
Hard a port. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missiles launched. Engines full speed. Enemy elimination confirmed. Establish visual contact.
Keeping watch.
Equipment is battle ready.
Establishing visual contact. Hit confirmed.
Fire on command.
Keeping watch.